couldn't defend it. He finished 5th in Duisburg. And we're underway in the K1 5000 men's final. Looks to have learnt enough lessons since then. And a pick and charge with James Russell just on his tail. And then it's a real busy quartet. This is when Pimenta just hit the accelerator. He looks like he's got someone under the water giving him an extra kick. Has a little look. See you later. Chilled, calm and collected is Pimenta. It won't be a spicy contest, but that's how he'll like it as Fabian chases him down. Oh, a bit of trouble. He's got caught on the inside of the buoy. And 3 quickly becomes 2. Condi and Limburg dropping James Russell. Got himself in a tangle. And now Limburg being given the right of leadership by Condi. But another former champion crosses the line. 1, 2, 3 goals in Poznan this weekend. But now it's the battle for silver. 4 at one point were battling for it, then it was 3. James Russell with an error of navigation. Can Jeremy Condi catch former world champion Limburg? In 2022, he was top of the world. He may not top the podium this time, but as he looks over his shoulder, golden shirt, but at least making sure of silver. And Jeremy Condi with brilliant bronze. Finishes with a flying performance from Fernando Pimenta, beating out another former world champion, Joachim Limburg, who edged Jeremy Condi. James Russell, his error, seeing him drop to 4th, just ahead of Quentin Aubin of France.